Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Baking salmon in foil does give a little leeway because the foil locks in moisture, but you want to pull it out when it is almost but not quite done at the thickest part. A quick pop under the oven broiler will give you a nice finish on the top of the fish and cook it through the rest of the way.
Take our lead.
The foil does three main things. The foil also holds and concentrates the heat closer to the meat, causing it to exit the stall stage faster than without using foil, which makes cook times shorter and more predictable. And the third main function of the foil is that it helps the meat retain moisture.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.